YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Memorial Day 2020. I know the whole pandemic, everything going on. There are no parades. There's probably no cookouts or very few cookouts, whatever. It's a very limited Memorial Day, but happy Memorial Day. Thank you to everybody who made the ultimate sacrifice. And those of you whose states are opening up that can celebrate, go ahead and celebrate. Celebration is going to be a little weak out here where I am. But let's get into the video. So you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what this video is about. Shout out to the guys over at Hype Room CT. Their ad is on the screen right now. I'm also going to put it down below in the subscription. They were able to get this pair in their shop early, so I was able to ask them, yo, can I pick these up to do a video on? I'll give them back to you, and they were like, yeah, sure, go ahead. Because I did want to get this review out to you guys as soon as possible. One of the most sought after Jordans of the year so far. So one more time, big shout out to the guys over at Hype Room CT. Make sure you follow their Instagram. Make sure you check them out. Links below in the description. Now let's get into the video. But before we get into it, make sure you follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. Like I did post about these on my story last night, and I did post about them this morning. Also, make sure if you are new here to hit that subscribe button, man. We need 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're right around the 570-ish mark, or sorry, 470-ish mark. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also smash that like button. Now let's get into the video. So as you guys can see it right here, we got the silver Jordan box with the little indentation on the top and the red Jumpman, so you guys know what is going on here. And I'm going to read the label for you right now. And we have the Air Jordan 13 Retro. The official colorway is navy University blue. Interesting, doesn't have white or silver in there, but navy University blue is the official colorway, and these things retail for $190, and this is a size 8. So if you guys need a size 8, make sure you head over to Hype Room to pick these up. This pair is back in their hands by the time you're seeing this, so shoot them a DM, hit them up if you need a size 8 Flint 13. Go ahead and grab it. So now let's open the box. Here we go. Now these have already been opened because they had them on display here. But as you can see, man, we'll just take out the left shoe. I think it's the left shoe. Yeah, we'll take out the left shoe right now and look into it. So here it is. Small shoe, size 8. Really, really, really clean shoe. Like I looked over it last night and this morning. As far as I could see, there were no flaws. No factory flaws on the sneaker, which is always really nice. But yeah, guys, this is the Jordan 13 in the Flint colorway. Obviously, with the Last Dance ending and everything that happened with the Last Dance, this shoe is extremely sought after before it, and that docu-series only made it more sought after. And this is a really great retro of it. One of the things that sets this retro apart from the last Flint 13 retro is that it does have the 3M paneling on the blue part that wraps all the way around the shoe, so you guys can see how well that 3M really pops going around the sneaker. Looks really good when the flash is on. Looks really good taking pictures of it. Really excited to get my own pair of these in hand. Now that I have them in hand and I can see the quality of them, I'm really excited to have it put together. Also, when you look at this gray panel of the shoe, this is really high quality suede. It's a short haired suede. I don't think it's a nubuck because it feels really soft. Feels too soft to be a nubuck. If it is, it's a really good nubuck. And you got that. The leather is okay on the toe box. Let me see. I don't want to mess these up too much. I'm not going to take the shoehorn out because the shoe's wrapped up pretty tight. But the leather does feel pretty soft on the toe box, which is always a good thing. Now we're going to look at the outsole real quick. You got your white pods in the heel and the forefoot. And then you got your hologram bubble by the midfoot. So I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's moving back there behind the Jumpman. And then obviously on the outside of the shoe, you have your Jumpman 2-3 hologram. I'm not going to take the wrap off. Once again, this is not my pair of shoes, so I'm going to keep them as pristine as possible. But you can see the hologram bubble that's right there. Really, really excited to have these in hand. And also, today at 3 o'clock, I will find out from Finish Line whether or not I hit on the raffle. I did enter in Finish Line. I couldn't enter anywhere else. It's weird. So all the Foot Locker stores, the Foot Locker Champs Foot Action, I've been calling them because in my area, some stores are opening, some aren't. Some stores are opening in some cities and towns, some aren't. So like some Champs are open, some aren't. So I've been calling them, and they don't even know if they're gonna have the Flints. So at least as of yesterday, I'm gonna call them again this afternoon. But they're not showing up on the app, so I can't enter in Champs, Footline, or Finish Action. Champs, Foot Locker, or Foot Action. There we go. That was terrible. Well, I can't enter in any of those stores, so I'm only entered right now into Finish Line to pick them up on Saturday. Hopefully I hit. We'll find out at 3 o'clock. If you follow my Instagram, you'll know whether I hit or not. And but yeah, then I'll be able to get my pair of size 12. Hopefully, if not, I'm going to go after them on the sneakers app, and then I'll be able to get you on foot once I get my own pair in hand. But these are really, really special. OG Jordan 13, as you guys know, trying to collect at least one OG colorway in each Jordan silhouette, and I do not even own one Jordan 13 right now. This will be the only Jordan 13. It won't be my first Jordan 13. I have owned 13s before, but I have sold them. I actually own 2 13s and sold both of them. But really, really excited to get this in hand. As you can see, you got that nice little, the white shoes, man. You got that nice little Carolina blue on the tongue right there in the jump, man. Let's see what we got. Nothing special on the insole. You got your nice rope laces. Now, me personally, just from a lacing perspective, I kind of like the way they do rope laces on the, what is it? I think it starts with the 11s. You get ropes, 12s, 13s, 14s. I like how you get the rope laces. Not so much on, I love 12s, but not so much how they're done on the 12s. I like how they're done where it doesn't, you see what I'm saying? It doesn't go through the shoe. The eyelet doesn't go through the shoe. You pull it in through this little tab right here, just like how you do on the 11s. I'm not even sure what to call that. But once again, guys, super excited to have these in hand. One more time, shout out to the guys over at Hype Room. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys going after these? Do you already have a pair from years ago? How do you like the 3M on these? I've actually heard some people say they like them without the 3M, which I could see, because me personally, with certain Yeezys anyway that come in 3M, they come in reflective and non-reflective, I kind of prefer the non-reflective sometimes, depending on where it reflects, because sometimes the reflection just looks weird. But I have heard some people say they prefer the non-reflective pair. I personally like these because the reflective is not too overpowering. Like, you know, sometimes you get those reflectors that just reflect all the time and it's kind of annoying. But these, you can still get that nice matted look as well as the shiny look when you take a picture with the flash on, or if you step through the light the right way. So once again, really dope. I'm just thinking of ideas for when I get mine in hand. Just looking at the little bubble right here, that's always on the midfoot of a Jordan 13. I think I'm probably going to vinyl wrap just the bubble, not the whole outsole because it's not an icy sole, but I might vinyl wrap just the bubble to keep that nice and safe. Let's take the other shoe out real quick just so you guys can get a look at both of them together. Here they go. Really, really great quality. Let me check the right shoe because I didn't do too much of a check on the right shoe, but I don't see any loose threads, any separation in the midsole. I mean, there shouldn't be any separation in the midsole with any sneaker, but just no factory flaws. Really good quality on these. Maybe it's just this pair that I have in hand. For everyone else that got their pair early with that shock drop, let me know how yours look. But these look really well put together. Really excited about the quality of these. But yeah, man, that is it for this video, guys. Please make sure to like and comment on the video. It really helps with the algorithms. If you were new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. That's where you get a lot of information first. That's where you'll see me post about these before I actually put the video up here. It's just the easier platform to reach out to you guys, so make sure you follow that. Also, if you want to, if you feel generous, you know what I'm saying, I do have a Cash App. It's always linked down below in the description. The Cash App is a Sneakerhead, Cash A Sneakerhead. So if you want to donate to the channel, go ahead and do that. Just let me know why you are donating, what the donation is for, if there's a certain thing you want to see me do. But that one is it right there. As always, man, I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And never forget, it's all about the sneakers.